Manipura Tangdu Leitaba Hanjilhannaba Meitei Naga Amadi Kukigi Legislator Shingna Khannaba Thabak Leptri CHATHARI HAINA TAMENGLONG SG MLA JANGHEMLUNG PANMEI PHONGDORAKLI PANMEI KAKHRANGNA SINDUNA Manipur Assam Amadi Nagaland Joina Khundakraba PANMEI Sagai Ki Miyoi Sing Amadi PANMEI Sagai Dagi Atopa Sagai da Mayum Pankraba Ningol Sing Punna Chaklin Saminabagi Ngasi Thangwaiban Tarung Khulda Pangtokhiba Thauram Amaga Mari Leidana Wafam Asi Mahakna Phongdokhibane Rongmai Furupki Sagai Ama Oidiba PANMEI Sagai ki Manipur Assam Amadi Nagaland da Lengaki Tongan Department Sing da Achawa Fam Puriba Miyoi Sing Amadi PANMEI Sagai Dagi Atopa Sagai da Mayum Pankraba Ningol Sing da Acham Khudol Pot Tamduna Ngasi Pangtokhiba Thauram Aduda MLA Janghemlung PANMEI na Makachana Hai Manipur Assam Amadi Nagaland da Joina Khundariba PANMEI Sagai Asi Haurafumde Ama Khaktani Haiba Utuda Ngasigi Thauram Asi Pangthokpane Rongmai Furup Asi Mahausana Tangdu Leitaba Pamba Furupni Ngasi Manipurda Pullibat Thauram Asida Lamdam Asida Tangdu Leitaba Puraknaba Honabada Angamba Mateng Pangba Haiba Pafumsu Yauri Amaromda Paumi Singi Wahangi Paukum Piraduda Janghemlung PANMEI na Makachana Hai Manipura Tangdu Leitaba Hanjilhannaba Meitei Naga Amadi Kukigi Bihut Sing officially Amadi unofficially Udaba Leptri Irang Asigi Warishin Ahing Amada Purakpa Ngamgadaba Nate Ngasi Lengak Asina Tangdu Leitaba Hanjilhannaba Hodariba Ase Meitei gi Natraga Kukigi ni Haiba Lete Honariba Punamak Ase Manipur Apunbagini Haike Ngasigi Thauram Aduda MLA Janghemlung PANMEI Kaikongi President Pauchalin PANMEI Income Tax Department North East Region ki Principal Chief Conservator Chaichali PANMEI National Academy of Custom Indirect Tax and Narcotics ke Principal Director General Gaigodin PANMEI Amadi ADC Tamenglong ki Caretaker Chairman Nansinrai PANMEI na Thauramgi Maru Oiba Pitungin Sing Oina Sarugakhe
Husikmakti akoy Manipur de leriba hoy yung ngasi se we always celebrate November 1 for the past how many years as a kut akoy kuki jogi numit ngasi have the kut se adu husik se because of the law and situation akoy gi situation phatam ne na ngasi se asem de akoy kuki chin gi jogi moi gi kut numit ngasi se we always celebrate first emerda adu handak de moi mafam da tawre but anyway Hujik akoy Meitei Legislature, akoy Naga Legislature, aduga akoy gi KUKI sin also. We are in talks, officially and unofficially. How to bring back peace in our state, I say, and it is a top priority. We don't politicize in every aspect we do. Solution we cannot bring in one night, but we are on our forward. We are moving forward. Muisu, akoy kukichi also, they want peace. Akoy so peace pame. And we always say, akoy as a government legislature, akoy say Manipur Meitei gi solution prokodab ginate, KUKI ginate, Naga ginate. As a whole, Manipur gi as a whole solution prokodab gi government ne, and we are looking forward and we are working forward.